In response to shifting global power dynamics and the pressing demand for advanced military systems in Europe, Airbus Defence and Space has entered a significant partnership with Kratos Defence and Security Solutions. Their collaboration focuses on adapting the XQ-58A Valkyrie combat drone to fulfill Germany's defense requirements, with the goal of operational readiness by 2029 under the Luftwaffe's command. This move reflects a broader strategic vision to reinforce Europe's technological independence and deepen NATO cooperation amid escalating security challenges. The XQ-58A Valkyrie, a stealth-capable drone originally conceived under the U.S. Air Force's low-cost attritable aircraft technology (LCAAT) initiative, is built to perform in highly contested environments. Leveraging its runway-independent launch system and modular framework, it can be deployed autonomously, in coordination with manned aircraft, or as part of coordinated drone swarms. Engineered for adaptability, the Valkyrie can carry various payloads, including electronic warfare modules and precision weapons, through its internal bays and wing-mounted hardpoints. Designed to operate as a force multiplier, the drone fits the loyal wingman role, supporting piloted jets in combat missions by extending their reach and survivability. The Valkyrie's performance specs include a maximum takeoff mass of roughly 3,000 kilograms, a ceiling of 45,000 feet, and a range approaching 5,000 kilometers. As an attritable platform, it offers a low-cost yet potent option in modern aerial warfare, suited to the NATO goal of mass deployment against peer-level threats. Airbus intends to equip the drone with its proprietary mission system, structured around an open architecture to ensure smooth integration with existing and future European defense systems. This approach supports seamless interoperability across a growing fleet of unmanned and manned platforms, particularly important as Europe accelerates efforts to modernize its military apparatus. Mike Schoellhorn, CEO of Airbus Defence and Space, highlighted the critical need for scalable unmanned systems, emphasizing the role this project will play in Europe's evolving airpower strategy. Eric DeMarco, CEO of Kratos, underscored the strategic value of tailoring the Valkyrie to European standards, noting that the platform has proven itself in various U.S. military evaluations since its maiden flight in 2019. While the U.S. Air Force's initial Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) selections did not include the Valkyrie, Kratos continues to evolve the platform for other applications, such as the U.S. Marine Corps' PAC-P program, which explores its use in electronic attack and deep penetration strike roles. Notably, a new configuration featuring landing gear was revealed in early 2025, signaling expanded operational possibilities beyond the drone's original rail launch setup. This European variant of the Valkyrie isn't directly part of Germany's electronic combat wingman program but aligns with the Luftwaffe's long-term planning needs. Airbus representatives indicated that the project anticipates future capability gaps, offering a flexible solution that complements Germany's ambitions for unmanned systems integration. The 2029 deployment target coincides with broader European defense initiatives sparked by rising geopolitical friction, particularly following the conflict in Ukraine. Concurrently, Airbus is working on a heavier-class Loyal Wingman drone in collaboration with Helsing, a German AI defense firm. This separate project, intended to fly alongside platforms like the Eurofighter, is expected to be operational in the 2030s. While heavier, it will likely serve different roles than the Valkyrie, which is optimized for cost-effective mass deployment and rapid reaction scenarios. The Airbus-Kratos partnership represents a pivotal step in reshaping Europe's aerial combat landscape. It merges U.S. innovation with European operational demands to create a versatile, combat-ready drone tailored for the challenges of the next decade. If successful, it could mark a transformative moment in the evolution of NATO air power, delivering not only a new weapon system, but also a renewed model for transatlantic defense cooperation.